everybody, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about putting on a curved license plate bracket and plate frame. And if you haven't done this already, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really not that hard, but you got to take your time or you can scratch your paint. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. And please click that like and subscribe. And if you're not new, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. All right, so let's dig right into it and we'll go right over it. So right from the beginning, this is what we got. All right, this is what we got here. Okay, we're going to get rid of this flat, plain license plate bracket. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to take off your license plate. There's cheap plastic screws the dealership puts on. I don't know why they do that, but they do. All right, so that's off. Now we got to get underneath, inside of here, under the fender. And the best way to do that is to get in there with a swivel head ratcheting wrench. Something like this. It's easy to get in there. And then you're going to need a T25, I believe it is, back here, once you get this off, to remove the two screws. So drop this out and then put the new bracket in. We'll screw it all together. All right. All right, guys, it's much easier when you have a lift, because you could, like I'm sitting right now in a chair right next to the lift, and I'm just reaching up and breaking these loose. And you don't want to take them both one out at a time. What you want to do is get one loose, then go over to the other side and break that one loose, and then just keep going back and forth. This way the frame, or the license plate mount and the turn signal mount, as you can see it's starting to move already, isn't going to scratch the fender. Getting up in here is kind of contortionist, but it can be done. I mean, the other option is, and I've seen people do it, is to remove the bags. They'll actually take the whole fender off the bike and then get to the bolts that way. To me, that's just way too much work for what we're doing here. So again, working back and forth, left to right, and we'll get this done. Okay, so we swapped it out, and you do have this rubber grommet here, but you know, you're going to start your bolts in one at a time, and then you're going to try and run them in with your hands as much as you can. Again, this is when that ratcheting wrench really comes into play, and it's a big help. This is also a good time to remove that unsightly reflector that everybody sees. So it helps if I have the ratcheting wrench going the right way. Oops. Okay, now we're good. All right. So, as you can see, the ratcheting wrench really makes a difference with putting this together. And this is only the half of the license plate frame. The other half is the plate cover that will sandwich the plate cover in this frame, sandwiches the license plate. And it's got a nice little Allen head recessed or flush mount screws for this. So it really, really is a nice way to finish off the back of your bike. I'm a big fan of it. So let me get this done, and because as you can see, I'm almost done anyways. And oh, you know what, better yet, we'll just finish up here now, because all I got left to do is put the license plate on it with the frame. So all right guys, this is a real quick video, and tell me what you think down in the comments below. Is this something you've done? Is this something you like to do? Is this something you think you can handle on your own? Did this video bring any value and help you with trying to get something like this done? Please guys, let me know. Excuse me. Hey, I'm gonna end this video, so as always, live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like it, subscribe!